I'm going to be doing a little short video here on these cylinder heads I've been working on. These are a pair of Brodix BB2 Plus heads. They're the rectangle port 312 runnered big block Chevy heads. I'm going to be building a 496 for my Malibu, the factory 4-speed car I showed. It's been a while since I showed that video, but there's going to be some more of that coming up. I'll be building this engine and installing it in the Malibu. And I've been doing a little chamber work on them. Just a little slight port and polish, and had to the chambers are the worst part on these heads. Well, I'll go more in depth on those in a later video. Right now it's just a little pre-warning, I guess, of what I'm going to be doing with these cylinder heads. I picked these up on Facebook pretty cheap, so stay tuned. They will be going in the Malibu, my factory 4-speed car, this blue. I had some people ask if I still have my Malibus. Yes, I still have my Malibus. I probably never will get rid of them unless I'm in a dire need for some money. With the way the economy is going, I might be in need of that soon.